how to enable dark mode on Facebook Lite in Android. Okay, hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I am going to teach you how you can enable dark mode on Facebook Lite while with using Android phone. Okay, you can see I am using Android phone. So without further delay, let's get started on the video. But before that, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first of all, open the Facebook Lite and log into your account. Okay, you can see I'm logging into my account. This is my Facebook Lite account, and I have logged into my account. To turn or enable dark mode on your Facebook Lite, just click on this top three line on top right corner and scroll down, and here is the dark mode option. Just turn in, and if you don't like, just turn it off.